This is insane. The 18th of March, 2012, and we've got like 25 plus knots going here. Got lots of kite flyers today, and lots of people doing coming out here to see us. Oh, look at, there goes Armando. Excuse me, I'm getting over this throat thing. Kind of like last year. Wow, look at this. Oh, I'm just getting a video. I got to do my, make my rounds. Out with this long tail. That silly thing. Yep. It really is. There isn't much you can fly except for trainers. It's like Armando, he's getting his butt backed out there. That his shoe is just completely coming apart.